Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and we're going to be drawing Mewtwo. For Mewtwo, let's draw a curve. That'll be the top of his head. Draw a line down and kind of curve it in the middle. A line to the side. Now let's bring that line just a bit and curve it outwards. Looks good. Now let's work on the other side. Draw a line up. There we go. Kind of match the top of the other one. Draw it a bit more lower. And bring it down with a curve. Looks good. Now on the right, let's bring that line curving down and inwards. That'll be the side of his head. From this line, go down with a curve. And then from that, let's bring it so that it looks like kind of like a point. But stop halfway through because that part will be the neck. So just draw a line down and a line down for the neck. Looking good. Let's work on some of his facial features. So we're gonna put an eye by drawing a line up like this. And then curve just a bit. Now skip a space and draw another curve, almost touching the other line, but not quite. We're going to draw a big kind of oval for the eye. And then in the middle, let's draw a circle. And then I'm gonna just fill it in except for that little white part. Draw a curve. We're gonna draw another little curve right there. His face looks great. And draw like a little nose part. And for the mouth, it's just a line. Now just kind of bring it in just a bit for the bottom of his neck or head. Draw a line in the middle. Now start about here. And we're going to start making the body. Just draw a line with the curve on the other side. Draw a line, kind of curves around. There we go. That line will be part of the chest part. Now on the right, kind of bring it in with a curve again, just like the other part. But this one's just a bit smaller. And bring some of the lines around and with a curve to try to connect the other side with a point. There we go. Now in the middle of the chest part, draw a line. Another curve. Draw a curve. That looks great so far. Let's start working on the rest of the body. We're going to try to work on its arm. Start at the top and bring a line just a little bit down, and we're going to go up and over. Looks good so far. Now kind of start right in the middle, not touching anything, and draw a line with a circle. His hand is going to kind of look like it's pointing towards us. So from that circle, go up, touch the top. There we go. Now at the top of that line, draw another circle. From that circle, draw a curve that goes out. And then draw a line on top of that curve that goes down just a bit like this. And draw a line out with a circle. Looks good. Now from that circle, draw a line in, go down, kind of at the bottom of that line with a curve. Once you get to the bottom of that curve, draw a line going up to get to the top of the circle and make a line in. The top of the hand, little arm marks, kind of little lines. I'm going to make this line just a little bit darker. Looks good. Now start on the middle of the hand or arm and make a line down. Go to kind of the middle of his head, bring in a curve, just like this. Follow that same curve pattern to go to the top of the shoulder. And bring a line down, kind of following that curved shape. But don't go through the arm, just go around it. On the left, we're going to make this sort of line for the bottom of his body, and then we're going to start to make the arm. Just bring a line out, extend it a little bit more. There we go. And then from that, go down just a bit to about there. Now let's start to make the rest of the arm kind of follow that same curve that you just did. Go down. And then once you get to where you want, just draw a line out, down, and go in and down. There we go. And kind of make this curved shape to connect to the other side. And draw a little dot. Now draw a line down. Now from that line, draw a curve, kind of like the first one, just like this. Go up, up. There we go. Draw a line down. A little bit in. Draw a curve for the finger. Go up just a bit. There we go. Draw a line curved up for the finger and bring it together. There's his hand. Looks good. You could draw little bumps in the hand just to show a little more detail. Now let's start on the right side. What we're going to do is bring a curve just like this, big curve. From the top of that curve, make this type of shape, kind of like a little C. This will be his leg. Go down where you want him to stop. There we go. Then from the other side, same thing, go down. That's his leg. Just like this. Now let's work on his foot. We're going to bring a line out and down. Let's curve, and stop with the little dot. Draw a line curved. With a little curve like this. Kind of like what we were doing with the fingers earlier. Draw a line up. And then finish it off just like this. Perfect. You can always draw little lines everywhere to make more detail in the foot. I drew a couple right there. That looks great. Now let's start right here on the left. We're going to bring this line, curve it just a bit inwards, and go down, so it connects kind of to the leg. Pretend like you go past the leg, and we're going to work on this big tail. So bring up that line, curve it, and keep curving it. So it kind of looks like this big giant S pattern. That looks great. Now from the bottom, I'm going to try to follow that same pattern, except at the bottom of the tail, just bring it a bit in, just like this. So it looks like a circle. Start at the leg, follow that same curve, but make it really thin at the top, and then come out just a bit at the bottom. Looks great. Now we're going to have a little detail mark right there on the tail. From the leg, let's draw kind of this rainbow shape in the middle. Start where the top of the other leg was, and we're going to make a line that goes down and curves kind of with his body. This is going to be the other leg. Bring a line down and in just a bit. With a big circle. Start at the top of that leg and go down. And what you're going to do is just kind of curve. This foot will be pointing in the other direction. So just bring it down with the curve like that. It's kind of like his toe. And then another curve that goes to the side here. And bring it up, kind of rounded into that circle that we made. Put a little detail mark right there. Another detail mark. Now it's time to color it in. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Happy drawing! Bye!